Bonafide Hustler here. I am here with my girlfriend Thrifty Z. And we're gonna go hit up 2 neighborhood-wide garage sales today. We're gonna see what we can find. We're gonna bring you along the journey with us. What's going on, guys and gals? Chris, the Bonafide Hustler, coming to you live from my girlfriend's spaceship. Yeah, medium-sized spaceship. We decided to take the medium one today, not the small one, and definitely not the big one, but the medium one, because we might find some cool stuff in this garage sale day that we're about to, be on here in like 4 exits from now. 2 neighborhood-wide garage sales, kind of in a further place, so we're on a toll road. We never know what we're gonna find. We're gonna bring you along the journey. It should be a lot of fun. What do I want to find today? I want to find some bikes. I want to find some cool stuff. The sun is now coming out. Humongous rainstorm yesterday. That might deter some of the garage sales opening this morning, by the way. What do you want to find?
Coach bags.
Coach bags for my girlfriend. All right, so will we find any of those things? That is a TBD. And that's the best part about these vlogs, is we don't know what we're gonna find, but it just kind of unfolds here on the camera as we go around. If you want to get a free money-making guide, that's right. This will teach you 50 items to start buying and reselling that you can look out for. This is the first link down below. Definitely go check it out if you want to start doing something like this. A little under-rested, but at the end of the day, I'm super excited to see what we're gonna find today. Whoa, look at all these people trying to get in. Okay, I've never seen this before, but this is a gated community, and there's a garage sale, community-wide garage sale. Now there's a line of cars trying to go in this thing. I have never seen this before. It literally says garage sale this Saturday, and there are all these people trying to get in. Okay, after waiting, it seems to be like 5 minutes, we are one of, let's see, I don't know, 15 cars, and then there's like 10 behind us, and we're going in this thing. So this could be highly competitive. It's pretty obvious. You know, in the 20 plus years that I've done garage sales specifically, I've never seen any setup like this. It's very weird, but it's a gated community, so I guess it makes sense. These houses are really big, and they're on big pieces of land too. So it looks like everyone has an acre out here, at least a minimum of an acre. And it's like every single person is going to be going to like the same garage sales. So this is going to get really weird. You are hurrying up so fast.
Because there's 20 different cars behind us.
She's like super going crazy. My girlfriend's going nuts.
Why did you think this was so?
It's just a matter of taking a look. They have a Cybertruck, these people. They got money. Get the map. Get the map from her.
Where the purple is, it didn't make it.
There's one behind me too. And Thrifty Z's hitting that one. We split up for a second. Maybe that's a good idea, maybe not. I don't know. I've seen about 10 garage sales, and the quality really isn't here. That said, there's still a couple more before we leave this neighborhood to go to the second neighborhood. I'm glad that the day is turning around though, because it was raining it was raining here like an hour ago. It's just wet everywhere. I don't know. But my girlfriend we're splitting up when we have garage sales that are close to each other. This one looks particularly interesting. That she's at. Go check it out. I do see golf clubs and things like that, so people got some cool stuff. What's up? Okay, these are our first finds of the morning. How much did you pay for those?
10.
$10 for some Red Wing Pecco steel toe boots. These are usually 60 plus on local avenues. And then for $10, I got some tailor-made burners. There's at least, I think, 5 of them, plus one Lynx 6. So we have everything here plus an all wedge, kind of like a sand wedge. Not too bad, but these are tailor-made burners, 2.0s. This is probably somewhere in the vicinity of like 70 to 90, I would say, for all these. Some are rusted, but that could be a good thing. Yeah, it's hard to make money in this neighborhood. There's just not that great of items. And there goes my girlfriend. She's going up to that garage sale to check it out. And we're just in a completely different town. This is not Austin, Texas. The quality is totally different here. But it was our best option because in Austin, Texas, there was only like 2 real garage sales to look at. And this town that we're in is about 15 minutes away from Austin, Texas. And it had 2 neighborhood-wide garage sales. So I think we made the right decision to come here. It's just that now that we're here, we're not finding what we need, but it was the better decision to go to the place that had more garage sales. Now we're gonna go to the second neighborhood here in a second, and we'll see how that pans out.
A whole bunch of them.
How much is she?
All right, we just got this Coach purse for $5, and it has a custom handle put on it, but it doesn't matter. This in the booth, what do you think? 50?
Probably 100.
Really?
100, yeah.
Yeah, this is cool. Look at that. She found one. That one's probably gonna be all right.
Yeah.
Oh, look at this one. I had one called Amethyst Purple. Okay. So from the garage sale behind us that we're walking away from, girlfriend spent 20 on this genuine Wilson leather bag. That's cool. That's probably like 80 in the booth, maybe 100. Since it's Wilson's, we did really good on Wilson. We did really good on Wilson's jackets, so it could be a little experimental, but we're gonna do that for sure. We're on the it's on the nitty gritty now. Ooh, Pokemon cards. Let's go. From that garage sale, $5 Wii. There's actually two Wiis in here, a bunch of cords, a bunch of everything. So we have two Wiis. That's a TBD. If I'm even gonna test this, I don't know. What else? Oh yeah, we bought a humongous stack of sleeves and Pokemon cards. Now a lot of these are 2017s, but we're gonna look at that later. This is more of a TBD. I've been itching to collect something else. So we got a lot of loose Pokemon in there. It could be something good, we don't know yet. This street has like 5 garage sales on it, it's crazy.
Oh, yeah, I could just carry on. Okay.
Looks like a petrified piece of wood or something. That's pretty neat. What is this? Interesting. I guess that's a pen holder or something? I don't know what that is. Next, sale. Oh, it's a Go Ruck pack. Holy f***. No way, no way. No way. This is sick. This is worth $200. Oh, it's got weight in it. Dude, let's go. Okay. Yeah, this is actually kind of strangely enough like a home run kind of item. This is a Go Rucker. This is a Go Rucker bag with the weight in it, which is crazy. But if I sell it locally, probably 150 or so. It's got weight in it. If I sell it online, like on eBay, then probably 200. But I would not put the weight in it because it's going to end up costing a lot to ship it off. This thing is a total home run. I actually made a reel about this thing 2 weeks ago on my Facebook account about this exact model of bag. They sell for crazy money. Go Rucker. Check it out. Yeah, that's speculated to have maybe a 20-pound plate in there. And, you know, I might ship it off with the 20-pound plate. I don't know. But there's one with 8 bids that sold eBay, 175 with a 10-pound plate. There are like no pink ones to find at this point. So, you know, I'm thinking this could be a local sale of 200 or an eBay sale of like 250, which I'm leaning towards the local sale of 200 at this point. The thing is mint though. This Go Rucker is mint. It's like hot pink. It's like awesome. No smudges. Still has even a piece of a tag on it when it was bought, which is crazy. You can roll $2 into this too. Do that for $2. I'll hold them and just talk to it. All right, I spent $2 on these. Usually on eBay you can get 40 to 60 on 5 fingers, especially this colorway. Olu Kai's, size 11.5, $2 on those. TBD, probably a $40 to $60 sale right there. All right, $2 a piece, right?
Yep.
Timberland, like these are like really cool because they're very like Ren Fair looking, and that's kind of the play on this. We're gonna throw this in the booth. Strangely enough, people like this weird stuff like this. So yeah, this is probably 40, 50 in the booth. Same with this one right here, just weird looking.
This is very witchy.
Yeah, very cool. This is by Born. Extremely good condition too, look at this. All right, got those, look at these. Kind of a weird no-name brand, but like, gosh, look at this. Like that's a cool, is that called block heel? It is, right? This is like a block heel kind of boot. So awesome. These are $2 a piece. So yeah, we're gonna be asking 40 to 60 on every single one of these. And then you got some stuff for yourself, right?
Yeah, just a couple jeans, pants, and then a little jumpsuit.
Nice. Could be coach, you know. Hey, what's up? So yeah, that was a really good garage sale day, and we're a couple days down the road, and let's kind of bring you up to speed with some of the things and the assessments of the prices and everything. Because as you know, when we go through garage sale day, it's like, I wouldn't say tensions are high, but you know, I'm trying to give a spread of what I think these items are gonna, you know, resell for as we go down the road. Anyways, the Wii has sold for 50 bucks, so that's out of the way. I listed it as untested, and that's what it was. The golf clubs, the tailor-made golf clubs, I think I'm really gonna end up selling those things for like 120 to like a 150 kind of spread. Got further into them, took some of the rust off. That's what I think we're gonna get for those. The purse, the boots, all that stuff, accurate kind of pricing, those are gonna probably go to the booth. But the main home run, and the one that was pretty obvious, I was like flipping out, I even cussed, but I took it out of the video. That is a Go Rucker 4.0 hot pink edition, super limited release. Okay, so my estimates in the car a couple times was like, oh, 150, 200. Then it went from 200 to 250. Honestly, I think this is gonna probably sell between $300 and $400. Yes, because it is really rare, because people like to ruck and put weight in their backpacks and start walking around, building muscle and stuff and increasing their bone density. That's just what it comes down to. And it's really popular with the CrossFitters and everything. This thing was mint. I think it was used one time. It is so mint, it's crazy. So yeah, we're gonna shoot for the moon for that thing because I don't think anybody else has one for sale. And that's where the vlog ends. That's the update. Really good day. I mean, it was really fun. It started off like, there was a little bit of despair in the car, you know, seeing like all these people in front of you go into a neighborhood-wide garage sale. I don't know. That wasn't fun. But we still give it our best shot. And honestly, if you're at this part of the video and you're this far in the video, then post down below what you found this past weekend. I just want to see in a comment. As always, take it easy, and I'll talk to you on the next one. Goodbye.